Hi, Ben. You look a little worried. Is everything okay?
Hi, Maria. I'm okay, just a bit embarrassed.
Why?
I tried to order coffee in English this morning, but the barista spoke so fast.
That happens to me too.
I asked him to repeat, but people in line laughed.
Don't feel bad. Your English is good.
Don't feel bad. Your English is good.
Mistakes are normal. Let's practice together.
Okay. I wake up, I eat breakfast, I drink tea.
See? You're speaking well.
Thanks, Maria. I'll keep practicing every day.
Hi, Emma. You look tired.
Hi, Carlos. I am just a little sad.
What happened?
I made a mistake in English with a customer.
What did you say?
I said, he go to the office.
Ow, it should be he goes to the office.
Yes, I always forget the S.
Don't worry, it's a common mistake.
Thanks. I'll try to remember.
Let's practice. I work, you work, he works.
Got it. Thanks, Carlos.
Excuse me, can you help me?
Of course. What are you looking for?
I want an easy English book.
We have many. Do you want stories or grammar?
Stories, please.
Here are some beginner books with big letters and pictures.
Thank you. My English is not perfect.
You're doing great. Just speak slowly and clearly.
That helps. I'll borrow this one.
Good choice. Come back anytime.
Hello, I think I lost my bag. Don't worry, what does your bag look like? It's black and has my name on it. Black bag with your name. Got it. Sorry, my English is not very good. Your English is fine. Let's check the lost and found. Thank you. Here it is. Is this your bag? Yes, thank you so much. You're welcome. Safe travels.
Hi, I need a new phone.
What happened to your old one?
I dropped it in water. It won't turn on.
That happens a lot. Do you want something simple?
Yes, just for calls and texts.
This model is easy to use and not expensive.
How much is it?
$120, and it comes with a charger.
I like the blue one.
Good choice. Would you like to pay by card?
Yes, please.
Here you go. Enjoy your new phone.
Thank you for your help.